welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this bow that I added onto my wreath. The supplies you need is 1 or 2 different types of ribbon with the wire border, scissors, an adhesive, and 1 zip tie. I'm using 2 different types of ribbons just to add some pizzazz and sparkle to tie everything in together. How wide you want your bow to be? I knew I was working with limited space, so I decided about roughly 6 inches should be good enough. Folded my ribbon about 3 times to make sure I'm able to have 3 bow designs, with one acting as a foundation for my accent ribbon, which is going to be placed in the middle of the bow. I am wrapping the ribbon around to complete the circle. So where it started, it's going to end, and that includes 1 wraparound. I did this twice on the right ribbon and 3 times on the gold ribbon. Next, we're going to grab both of our ribbons so that we could do a cut, just eyeballing it right now to see how long I would like the tail of the bow to be. Then I'm going to go right ahead and measure them together and give them 1 cut. Next step is to create the bow's knot. I was trying to decide between the gold or the white ribbon. Decided to just go with the white ribbon, and I did 1 knot. Then I did a second one so that it can lay over the first knot. I later figured while I was putting everything together that was a bit too much. It was a bit bulky, so I went in, and you're gonna see this, and I removed that initial knot and just decided to stick with 1. Grab your glue and your zip tie. We're going to put everything together. So I'm creating and forming the bow and layering the white one on top last. And then I'm going to get my adhesive, which is going to be my glue, and I'm going to glue in just 1 section. This is the only time I put glue. Now I'm going to gather everything together. I'm going to grab the tail, those 2 strips of ribbon that we just cut, the tail, and we are also going to do a bit of pinching, and we're just going to position it right there at the bottom, and grab your zip tie and zip tie everything together. This is what I was talking about. You see how bulky it is and how it's not allowing me to just finesse the knot the way that I want. I realized that it was the knot that was underneath the knot that was creating the issue. So I went right ahead and unraveled it, and I put just 1 knot instead of 2. I had some challenges unraveling that knot, so I went offline and finished it off and redid a new knot, placed it on the bow, and tied it on the back. So I flipped the bow, and it's time to start to fluff your ribbons out for the bow section. So I have 2 on the top of the white ribbon and 2 gold bows on the bottom of the white ribbon. It makes the ribbon look so much fuller and bigger. And remember, you can do this with 1 ribbon pattern. It doesn't have to be 2 different ribbon patterns. Just so you know, the more that you fold it, the bigger the bow will be. Alright guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Happy holidays.